Hello everybody, how are you? I am Norez and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classdata.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. So our today question is which sentence uses a semicolons correctly? Option A, I know how to use the net new softwares. In fact, I am using it for my course project. Option B, I know how to use the new softwares. In fact, I am using it for my school project. Option C, I know how to use the new software. In fact, I am using it for my school project. Option D, I know how to use that new software. In fact, I am using it for my school's project. The correct answer of the question is the sentence that uses a semicolon correctly is option A. I know how to use the new software. In fact, I am using it for my school project. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classdata.com and find on the search section if you have any question to ask. There are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel until next question. Bye bye.